Hi everybody. All right, I'm sorry it's taken me a while to get this one out. I had to go back and look for some stuff on box plots because one of the things I realized is we really haven't talked about these, so I just want to make sure we understand what's going on. I've taken a picture of my word wall and I'm also going to post that along with this. So everybody pay attention. Julia, put those chips down. You don't need to be eating chips in my class. Oh my gosh. Stop laughing, Ashley. I know you're laughing. All right, Mason. Here we go. Emmy, are you paying attention? Good job, Emmy. I love you too, baby girl. There's my heart. See my heart? There you go. All right, so what is a box plot? What we have to understand is a box and whisker plot is used to show the spread and variability of a set of data. A box and whisker plot divides the data into 4 parts using the 5 data points shown to the right. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this box plot, or box and whiskers, and we're going to label all the different parts. So it's already set up for us, so all we're going to do is label this. So this one is least value. So if we look at this, this would be at 35, right? So we would consider that this one right here is our first quartile, Q-U-A-R-T-I-L-E. So we would say that that was right in there somewhere, right after 65. We would consider that this is the median. And then we would consider that this is our third quartile. Here. And then we would say that this was our greatest value right here. Okay, so least value, greatest value. That's kind of obvious. So we know that our greatest value is going to be somewhere down here. Okay, so now that we kind of have an idea of what some of our terminology is, let's take a look at a set of examples here. So what we have here is example 1. So thinking about to my mean, median, mode, and range, I'm looking for the mode here, or my median, not my median. So I'm looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So if I know I have 9 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, I know that this number right here is going to be my median, right? Okay, so if that's my median, which is 33, then that tells me that these numbers here are all included in my third quartile. All these numbers here are included in my first quartile. And then my greatest number, and then of course my least number. So if I were to take these 3 numbers here, or my 4 numbers I should say, and if I was to go 19 plus 23 plus 29 plus 32 equals 103, I'm going to divide those by 4, and I get 25.75. So I'm going to round that to 26. So that is my average for that one. So if I come over here and I do 34 plus 42 plus 47 plus 59 equals 182, divide that by 4, and I get 45.5. Make sure I got my numbers right. 34 plus 42 plus 47 plus 59, divide that by 4 gives me, yep, I was right, 45.5, which will round to 46, okay? Okay, so now let's set up our box plot. So knowing that my lowest number is 19 and my highest number is 59, I want to go about 5. So I'm going to go 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. That's going to incorporate everything that I need. Okay. So knowing that my first number is going to be about 19, here is my least. My greatest number is 59, so it's going to be here. So now, remember how we said that this was our first quartile? That would be that average. So our first quartile is going to start about 26. So here's 25. I'm going to put 26 right here. I know this is where my box starts. My third quartile will be about 46, which would be right about here. And now I have my box. Well, my median is about 33. So 33 is going to put me right about here. And that is what my box and whisker plot looks like. All right, let's do another one so that we are kind of understanding. All right, so example number 2, I have 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11. Okay, so if I look here, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 numbers. That tells me that these 4 and these 4 are going to be good. But my 6 and 7 will end up being my median. So 6 plus 7 equals 13. Divide that by 2, and I get 6.5. So my median is 6.5. Okay? All right, so 1 would be my least. 11 will be my greatest. And then if I look at my first quartile, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6 equals 12. Divide that by 4, and I get 3. So here, I would say first quartile, I get 3. 7 plus 8 plus 10 plus 11 equals 36. Divide that by 4, and I get 9. My third, let's use the number, third quartile will be 9. All right, let's set it up. So if I'm looking at 1 all the way up to 11, I know I can count 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. All right, my first one starts at 1. My greatest is at 11. My first quartile starts at 3. My third quartile starts at 9. I make my box. My median is 6.5, which would be somewhere right in here. I draw my line, and I connect all my lines. All right, let's do one more. All right, so here we have our last example. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers. So that makes this easy. I like easy numbers. We know that this is our median. We know that this number is our least. We know that this number is our greatest. We also know that these 3 numbers and these 3 numbers, this is my first quartile. I'm just put a Q. This is my third quartile. And let's do our average. 66 plus 68 plus 74 equals 208. Divide that by 3, and I get 69.3333. So I'm going to just say 69. On this one, I get 82 plus 85 plus 88 gives me 255. I'm going to divide that by 3, and I get 85. Nice. All right, so I know I've got to get all the way up to 88 and down to 66. So I think I'm going to count by 6, or by 2s. So I'm going to start with 64, 66, 68, 70, 72, 74, 76, 78, 80, 82, 84, 86, 88, 90. All right, my least is 66. My greatest is 88. My median is 78. My first quartile is 69, so that'll be right here. My third quartile will be 85, which is right here. I draw my box. And there you go. All right, so on your lesson today, you'll have several examples of these that you'll have to work on and label. Okay, love you guys. Have a great day. Bye.